Today, we're going to be checking out the Fox Performance Series 2.0 Rear IFP Shock for the 4 to 6 inch lifted 2007 to 2018 Silverado 1500. Now, if you've got a 4 to 6 inch lift on your Silverado 1500 and you're looking to enhance its off-road capabilities while maintaining that on-road comfort, then this shock absorber is going to be a solid option. This shock incorporates Fox's internal floating piston, or IFP technology, which is going to separate the shock oil from the high pressure nitrogen gas chamber. This design prevents oil aeration, ensuring consistent and fade-free dampening performance for years to come. This shock is specifically valved to complement Silverado 1500 models with 4 to 6 inches of lift, providing improved traction and enhancing handling characteristics. These shocks give you a more accurate handling feel and immediate dampening performance, especially when taking more aggressive off-road trails. Now, this is going to be constructed with a 2-inch CNC machined 6061 T6 aluminum body. This shock offers increased cooling capacity and durability at the same time. This hard anodized finish is going to provide superior resistance against corrosion, ensuring its longevity. And the shock absorber features a clear hard anodized finish for superior rust protection, designed to withstand the rigors of those off-road conditions and everyday wear and tear. Now, as far as pricing goes on this shock, it's coming in right around that mid $200 price range, which is a solid price for a performance shock that's going to provide a smooth ride with consistent dampening on your lifted Silverado. The installation on this is nice and straightforward. It's going to use those factory mounting points. So we're going to rate this a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can typically have this completed in about 1 hour of your time. Now, let's head on out to the shop and they'll give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process works.
First install, you need a 3/8 impact, 21mm socket, and 21mm wrench. And also not shown be a pull jack. All right, today we're gonna be installing a rear shock on our Silverado, so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start off with our bottom bolt here. Now, we don't even need to take our tire off, so that's good. So we have a pull jack supporting our rear axle. We have our impact and a 21mm socket and 21mm wrench to take this bottom bolt out. Down the way, pull our bolt out and set that aside. All right, up top we just have another bolt. There's no nut, it's welded into the frame on this, so our impact and 21mm socket. Take our bolt out and we can remove our whole shock completely. All right, so we're gonna get our new shock and get it set in place. We're just gonna loosely install our bolt up here so we can get our bottom in and then tighten everything down. All right, so we'll swing our bottom into place. You might need to make a minor adjustment with our jack. But everything lines up, thread our nut on. We can go ahead and grab our impact 21mm socket and 21mm wrench, tighten the bottom one down. And now we can grab our impact 21mm socket and tighten our top bolt. All right, now you can go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side and be all set to go. And that wraps up our install of our Fox Performance Series 2.0 Rear IFP Shock for a 4 to 6 inch lift for a 2007 to 18 Silverado 1500. And remember, for everything Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.